Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix DoorDash won't let me add a bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few methods that you should be trying for you to possibly fix this issue. So one of those methods is to make sure that you have the latest update on the DoorDash or Dasher mobile application. Now in this case, let's go ahead and go to Google Play Store and basically search for DoorDash. From here, look for the Dasher app here and see if you have the latest update. So in this case, make sure that you have the latest updates, and once you've updated the Dasher application, see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that we want to do here is we want to clear the cache for the application itself. So in this case, locate the Dasher mobile application, press and hold on it, go to App Info, and from here, click on the Clear Data at the bottom right, and from here, click on Clear Cache, and from here, click on OK, and from here, check if that solves your issue. Now, if that's the case, that you aren't still able to solve this issue, well, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to basically contact support for DoorDash. In this case, go ahead and open up any mobile application, go to google.com, search for DoorDash support, and open up the first link that you see here. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to locate the customer support section here, and when we want to choose the option for Dasher support. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we want to locate or identify the way that we want to contact support. So they have the Visit Help Center, Chat with Us in the Dasher app, or the Call with Us in the following number. So choose whatever means that you want to contact them, and from here on, just inform them that you currently aren't able to add a bank account into your account, and most likely they will be able to help you to fix this issue. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.